Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 2.1 of chapter 2, that is fraction and decimals. So now I'll solve question number 7, and question number 7 is saying that Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? And here we have to solve at least three questions. This, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? And by how much? So first we will solve how much part of apple did Somu eat. So Ritu ate how much part of apple? That is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 part, okay? And now we're finding Somu's part, that how much part did Somu eat. So here we will find it. Remaining part eaten by Somu. Eaten by Somu. That is, here we will calculate. So the apple was 1. Okay. So we can also write 1 by 1 minus. And Ritu at 3 by 5 part of apple. So 3 by 5. Okay. So here we have to calculate 1 by 1 minus 3 by 5. So LCM, we have to take the LCM of 1 and 5, that is 5. So 1 by 1 is equal to what by 5? So 5 divided by 1, that is 5. So 1 multiplied by 5, that is 5 by 5. Okay. So now 3 by 5 is equal to how much by 5? So 5 divided by 5, that is 1. So 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3 by 5. Okay. So okay, 5 by 5 and 3 by 5, we have got it. Okay. So now we will just subtract 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Okay. So 5 minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Okay. So Somu at 2 by 5 part of apple. Somu at 2 by 5 part of apple. So Somu at 2 by 5 part of apple. So here we have solved this one part. Now we have to solve that who had the larger share. Okay. So let's start it. So I have cleared my whiteboard and let's start it. Ritu at how much part? That is 3 by 5 as usual. Then Somu at how much part of apple is equal to 2 by 5. We had just solved now. And now we have to find that 3 by 5 is greater or 2 by 5 is greater. So 3 by 5, give a little bit space, and then 2 by 5. Okay. So please tell me here that 3 by 5 is greater or 2 by 5. As we can see here that 3 by 5 is greater and the denominators are same. So it is so easy for us um, to find out that which one is greater. So obviously 3 by 5 is greater. Okay. So here 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. So I'll start from here. So Ritu had the larger share. See here 3 by 5 is greater. So 3 by 5 is Ritu. Okay. 3 by 5 part was added by Ritu. Okay. So Ritu had the larger share. So now we have to find that by how much it is greater. Okay. So here also we will do that. Here we will do 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Okay. Difference difference between the two parts of apple, that is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 5. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 by 5, the denominators are same, so no need of finding the LCM. So 1 by 5 is the answer. So 1 by 5 part is the difference between the two parts, two parts of apple. Okay, so we have solved it. So thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you and stay safe. Goodbye.